our garden stand an old tree, at least 2 centuries under the sun. Now hollow but far from empty, still so strong and full of life. It looks like straight out of an adventure bike sea, the gateway to a world of fantasy so free. It is a treasure, so much beauty in its decay, and it holds so much life within, and in its canopy, spiders, bats, insects, geckos, perhaps a snake or two, and maybe, just maybe, a small troll we might never